Hey, what's going on, guys? Fred's Tech Up here. So here with me is a new Tecno device. Okay, so this is actually the Tecno Camon 16 to be precise. And I want to say that it is very fast, it is decent, and I highly recommend it. But the problem with it is that it comes with lots of bloatwares and unnecessary ads that can ruin the user experience for some people or a whole lot of people. Because I do not really know those that like to be seeing ads and lots of bloatwares on their devices. These ads and bloatware aren't just available on Tecno devices alone. You will find it on Infinix devices, Xiaomi, Oppo, and most other Chinese devices that I cannot think of right now. It is also available on Samsung devices, but on Samsung devices, it is not as intrusive and buggy the way it is on most of these Chinese smartphones. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how you can get rid of most of these annoying ads, bloatwares, and a whole lot for a much better user experience. It's definitely going to be a very short tutorial. We're not going to say much here. I'll just go straight to the point and show you how to get rid of these annoying ads and bloatwares that are not really necessary on this smartphone. Alright, so let's jump right into it. On Infinix device, things are a little bit different. So on this is the Tecno device, so you head over to app management. Then on Infinix device, you head over to apps and notification. Under app management, you head over to special app access. Okay, so under special app access, you go to modify system settings right here. So under here, if you should check very well, you'll see that some of these applications have their permission set to allow. So we're going to turn off the ones that we do not need to have access to some system modifications and all of that. So first off, let's turn this off. iOS launcher, turn it off. Palm Store, turn it off. Phone Master, turn it off. Transfer, turn it off. X-Share, turn it off. Your Party, turn it off. Okay, seems you're good under here. So still under special app access, let's move down to notification access right here. So let's turn off some of these notification access. iOS, turn it off. Turn everything right off here. Turn it off. Social tool, turn it off. If you want to, you can turn off Android Auto if you don't have a car. Still on that special app access, let's move down to usage access. Now let's turn off access for AHA games, Phone Master, and Simo. So under the settings menu again, let's move down to notification center. Then let's move down to notification management. And we're going to turn off notification for some of the apps that we do not want them to have notifications. Okay, it seems we're good from here. Let's go back to app management again. Then this time let's go to default apps. Under default app, let's go to opening links. Then let's turn off instant app access. Still under the settings menu, go back to app management. Then go to special access app again. Head over to display over other apps. So all the items or all the apps shown here has the tendency to display ads or pop-ups on top of other apps installed on the phone. So we're going to first of all head over to iOS launcher and turn that one off. Palm Store, turn it off so they don't display ads. Phone Master, turn it off. Scooper, turn it off. What else again? I think we're good from here. Okay, so now that we're done with all of this, let's just get rid of some of the apps that we do not want. Okay, so on previous Tecno iOS launcher, there was always an option to turn off this stuff right here, Instance app up here. There was always an option to turn it off, but in this particular version 7.0, there is no option for that. So to get rid of all the Instant app notifications and ads, so all you need to do is locate the Instant app, press and hold, and go to application details. Then you go to notification first of all, then turn it off. Once you're done with that, go back, go to permission. You see, these are all the permission it has. So calendar, denied. Camera, denied. Contact, denied. Location, denied. Storage, denied. Phone, denied. One more, get weather related data, denied. And that's it. So now that we're done with that, let's swipe down to the left panel. So you're going to have this, just deny it first of all. Now tap on the settings icon here, just do this, and that's it. So if you swipe left again, you're not going to see those feeds and probably ads from each of those apps from the left hand pane here. So now that we've gotten to this point, you can now go ahead and uninstall some of the Bloatwares that you do not want. For example, this Scooper, uninstall it. Phonics, there's no option to uninstall this, but you can disable it, disable the app. Like Pamplay, uninstall it. Viscate, remove it. At this stage, so if you're like me and still not satisfied, you might want to head over to the Google Play Store and download any launcher of your choice and set it as your default launcher. I already have a launcher installed here, so I'll have to head over to my settings app, then go to app management, then go to default apps, then home app, then I'll now set my launcher of choice as my default launcher. So with this, I have a clean UI, I have somewhat clean experience with this device, and it's fast. So this step-by-step guide is going to work with an Infinix device, a Xiaomi device, and some other Chinese smartphone. Okay, so that has been it, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.